2 years ago, I decided to try car camping for the first time, and never did I expect that I would enjoy this kind of lifestyle. And thus, I seek out for more bolder adventures on a vehicle. Last March 2023, I decided to formally start this car camping adventure at Camp Hiatus with friends and family. Only starting with the basic camping gear such as tent, a cheap car awning, and the rest were pretty much items available at home. From that point, I created the challenge on my own to car camp at least once a month. So for the next 11 months, I, my girlfriend, and friends have camped throughout different campsites in mainland Luzon. From the adrenaline-pumping CWC in Camp Sur far south, up to the freezing temperature and high altitude of Lake Tabeo in Benguet up north. From the small coastal town of Lian, Batangas in the west to the mountainous landscape of Tanay Rizal in the east. And of course, everything in between these four extremities. We have seen several stunning sceneries and met a lot of like-minded people who have also become part of our journey. So for this car camping vlog, what's a better way to celebrate that milestone by simply returning to where it came from? And now, time to set up our camp. So actually, it's quite sad since di namin kasama sila Tipsy and Water kasi busy sila. But okay lang, madami pa namang next time. So ngayon, kasama namin sila Francisco, Pam, and friends, and sila Rainer. Time meron kaming little helper, si Joaquin from Francisco Park. So since first time ni Rainer dito, dinala ko siya dun sa mini trail sa tabi ng Camp Hiatus.
si Rainer nagpipicture rin dito. So sobrang ganda talaga picturean ng spot na to. Nakita mo may bundok sa likod, mababaw lang din yung tubig, maganda yung reflection ng sasakyan. Then ito, may bagong camp na dito. So I think ito yung Marilaki camp. So dito lang siya sa dulo ng trail, ng mini trail dito sa in between ng Hiatus tsaka ng River Ranch, ano. So yan, solid. Na-enjoy rin niya yung trail. Ayan, na-enjoy rin ni Kyla sumakay sa likod, ano. Alright. Ayan, picture. So, bago sila umuwi. Day trip lang pala sila. Akala namin overnight sila eh. Pero yan, maganda yung spot dito. Na-enjoy din niya.
Good morning! So it's already day 2 of car camping here at Camp Hiatus, and of course, breakfast muna tayo. And then right after breakfast, dumating sila the callers. So sila Aster, Den, and their friends for a day trip here in Camp Hiatus. So habang nagsiset up sila Aster, kami naman ay nagliligpit na dahil malapit na yung check-out time namin, which is 12 or 1 if I'm not mistaken. And of course, hindi kami aalis na hindi kami nag-off-road. before we end this video, a quick campsite tour para sa inyo.
Alright, so yan, tapos namin mag-camp, pack away, and nag-short trail lang kami doon as usual pag tuwing pumunta kami dito sa Hiatus. So bigyan ko kayo ng quick camp tour at saka ano yung mga nagbago dito sa Camp Hiatus. Alright, so una-una meron silang ATV dito. So kahapon si Rainer gusto mag-ATV, kaso kailangan daw at least 2 units or dalawa yung mag-ride ng ATV bago makapag-trail sa labas. And then also they offer 4x4 ride 2 times a day. So may pinupuntan silang falls banda doon sa loob pa. So babaybayin tong ilog na to pababa. Then merong falls doon na pupuntan. Sobrang ganda guys. Tignan nyo lang yung mga post ng Camp Hiatus na Facebook page. And then also yung tindahan nila ito. So meron dyan yung mga food, snacks, tubig, meron ding alak, and mga toiletries, napkins, whatnot, sabon, etc. etc. So kung may kulang kayo nadala or wala, nakalimutan yung dalhin, pwede kayong bumili dyan. And to the actual campsite, ito may kubo rin ata pinaparent, tapos meron din isang open na kubo doon. And yung CR nandito, mamaya ikutan natin. Pero yung river spot meron dyan, yung mga nakita nyong naka-Innova at Fortuner, meron silang sariling spot dyan. Ayun, nakita nyo may daanan dyan papasok dito para malapit, hindi na iikot dun sa harap. So riverside dyan, and then may isang camping spot dito. So dito sa Hiatus, kanya-kanya kayong spot, hindi kayo magkakadikit, unlike sa ibang campsite na pinagsisiksikan talaga nila lahat. So yun yan, currently naglalagas yung daan ngayon. Pag tuwing March yan actually, wala masyadong daan yung puno, kaya medyo mainit-init. But yun, tignan natin ibang spot. May mga swing dito para magpaglaro ng bata. Common ground dito sa gitna hanggang dun sa bonfire. Pakita ko rin sa inyo yung ibang spots. So dito kami nag-pitch ng tent namin. So ito yung medyo mataas-taas na area to. Tapos isang group doon. Then yung bonfire area. Then isang group ulit doon. And then doon pa sa isa sa kabila yung dulo. Yung nakita nyo may itim na Montero ba yun? O Montero ata yun. Tapos isang spot doon. Isang spot din doon. So ganyan yung pwestuhan dito sa Hiatus. Magkakalayo kayo, hindi kayo magkakalapit. Then yun, may mga solar lights din all over the camp. So nag-improve sila, hindi ganito yung solar lights nila dati. Yung alam mo yung bamboo pole, yun tulad yung nasa gitna na yun, ganun. But yun, ilaw all over the camp. Tapos yung A-frame cabin nila, and then yung tabi na yun sa may riverside. Yung A-frame cabin nila, may sarili na yung kitchen sa likod, tsaka CR, and as well as yung pool, mini pool, kiddie pool. And what else? Yung CR, as usual, maganda rin yan. Well tiled, malakas din yung pressure ng tubig, and may bidet yung toilet. Yan, yung mga hinahanap ng tao. Tapos, mamaya, kasi ang dami naliligo ngayon, so hindi ko mapapakita sa inyo. But yun, other services they offer. Bago makalimutan, 24/7 may pressure na tubig tsaka supply ng tubig. Unlike sa ibang campsite, pag naubusan yung charge ng battery nila, hindi na gumagana yung pump, wala nang tubig na magamit sa campsite. Other services, ayan, meron silang Starlink dito. So 150 for 1 day na access. Mabilis naman, lalo na sa spot na to dito. Pag malapit ka dito sa spot na to, mabilis yung internet mo. Pero kapag nandun ka sa banda malayo, medyo mahina na. So yan, meron din silang mga tables tulad niyan on each spot. So may magagamit kayo kung sakaling kulang yung tables nyo. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. That's a quick campsite tour dito sa Camp Hiatus.
So that's a year of car camping for us. It's been definitely a fun adventure. We're able to experience the beauty of nature and meet a lot of new people who made our adventure more exciting. My 1-year car camping challenge may have ended, but as they say, the end is just the beginning. So we're looking forward for more Boulder adventure.